Right. Up and running now. Welcome, welcome everyone. Get. Let me put this on there.
Morning, Maxie.
Good morning, good morning. Wow, so it looks like we had kind of a big drop through Asia and shit. Over 230 pips basically. That's quite a big drop. So yeah, interesting. So it looks like maybe people are trading Asian might have had a good time. How could you have got in on sells here? I mean, that's textbook there.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. So yeah, that resistance forming there was pretty good. And why was it also good? Well, if you look on the 30, it's the salary play on the candle after. So yeah, that was kind of nice. That was pretty nice. So yeah, looking pretty bearish. So kind of already know what I'm going to be looking at for a second here. Let me just going to move my YouTube a little bit over here. Okay. Alright. There we go. Right, sorted right now. Beautiful, yeah. So welcome everyone. It looks like it's going to be quite an interesting day. Finally, GJ's maybe retraced a little bit. So I'll just wait a couple more minutes for people to come in, and then we'll be ready. Let's take a look then. We'll be ready to start. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. I've got my cup of tea. I'm ready to go. So yeah, let's get into this in a second. First thing is, wow, I didn't want to see the football last night. Kind of interesting games. Is Brian here? No, I was thinking South Africa got their asses beat. South Africa got their asses beat by France. GU buys 1.31216. Oh, I'll take a look at that in a second. So yeah, so the first thing with the GG over here, you can see the daily candle is bearish right now. The last candle closed bearish, starting to make some resistance. So looking interesting to maybe continue down. Taking a look at the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame now is bullish right now, but it does have a nice wick to fill to maybe fill later on in the next 3 hours. And where should it fill to? Well, you know, it should fill and then close maybe around this area of support, which is good. That's quite a long area, so like 50 pips, which is good to see. I like seeing that. So that is nice. Let's just take a look, see if this music's a bit too loud. Oh, that's alright. So yeah, looking kind of good. Take a look on the hourly time frame now. What has potentially happened? Well, it looks like we came down around 4 AM, retraced off this level, back up, and now we're back at a previous support. We've actually closed above it, but it looks like maybe now on the 30-minute and the 15 we have some sort of resistance, right? So let's take a look to the left hand side. So what I'm looking at is previous support, which is right at this level here. Yeah, let's take a look on the hourly again. Yeah, it's kind of hard because the hourly actually has closed back above. So for me, this area here is the support, right? So if you want to take sells, I want to be taking sells below this area for resistance forming. So you know what I think here is prices came down, we're retraced, and then we're going to continue it later on. However, I do need to wait for a bearish closure back below this line, because the hourly has closed above, so we've got to be a little cautious there. But I do think that this 4-hour time frame is going to flip. And I want to keep with the trend, so the trend is bearish now. So yeah, I'm going to wait for some resistance to form in this area to then ride it back down, maybe on the 30-minute, but we'll see. For buys, I mean, for buys they're going to be kind of hard because we are very, very bearish now. You know, we've already ran down 200 pips. So I think if I was looking for buys, it's going to be probably over the daily flip, to be honest with you. So yeah, I think that's what I'm probably going to look for. Good morning, all. Good morning. So yeah, I think sells below this area is going to be pretty nice later on. But I want some nice resistance to form to then continue down. Why you start the stream so early? 7 AM. I do it every so often, and when there's some moves. And so yeah, if resistance forms here, then where should it continue down to? Well, it'll continue down to this area. So the actual zone in here is pretty big, you know, 80 pips. So that is pretty nice. I'm kind of happy about that. As I said, yeah, so buys probably for me are going to be probably above this area because there's resistance here, there's support here, so buys above this area is going to be maybe a little bit nicer. Yeah, yesterday through New York there wasn't really much. It was kind of ranging a little bit, and then oh, there's a beautiful AUD JPY trade which some of the members took. I'm gonna post that on Instagram today because it is quite funny. It didn't have much of a top wick, and I wanted a little bit more of a one. And then when it broke the low, this shit just ran. Where was it? Here, yeah. This whole move. I wanted to get in. Is it here? Yeah, there. There. And the top wick for me was just a little bit small, exceeded the low and then launched down, so that was kind of nice. So yeah, I mean, I'm just going to be patient with this. I know that the 4 hour, if it flips over here, we're going to continue down and fill that wick. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. It looks pretty good for it, to be honest. So yeah, we'll see. Let's take a look at gold. Looking like gold is retraced a little bit compared to yesterday. Damn. Yesterday came all the way back down to daily support at 1889. And then we've reflipped. Sorry, we've closed but bearish, but kind of on the support still. So it retraced quite a lot. So it shows that this level it's on right now, 1919, is a very, very big support. So yeah, it's a kind of big support. The 4 hour time frame is bearish right now, but only a little bit. So it could potentially continue to flip and push up a little bit. Take a look on the hourly and the 30-minute. You can start to see where our resistance is. So you'd see it's around 1928 and 1929. I think that's where I'm going to be looking for. And for sells on gold, I mean, only if it comes back probably below 1916, 1915 level, maybe here, to go back downtown. But it looks like buys could be pretty nice later on. If we do continue up from 1928, we should fill this zone, 1938. So that's a nice 100 pip zone to take trades in. So yeah, I think that's going to be looking pretty nice above this area. Buys above 16 at 28.7. Nice. So yeah, pretty simple. It's looking like a lot of the pairs have actually a lot of room, so that's good to see. This
Well, it should be 1928.
Sorry, not 16.
That's okay.
Not 16. There we go. Yep. Ooh, GJ's already starting to come down. Early entries. So the only issue with getting early entries really is, as I say before, you know, I think this happened yesterday as well, we talked about in the simulation, is, you know, this is bearish right now. You may be looking for sells, but remember, it is just 49 minutes left of the hourly. It could be just making the lower wick to then flip. So I would want at least, you know, a 30-minute closing bearish to even look at potential early sells. If not, then I'll wait later on. But yeah, we'll see. 76 people in here. Jeez, anyone taking any trades yet? Through maybe Asian. Through Asian. But yeah, I'm gonna wait a little bit longer over here. Still 3 minutes left of this 15. I mean, maybe earlier entries in the 15, but my issue is the hourly. Let's take a look how big stops are. And stops are pretty big, so yeah, I'm probably gonna have to wait a little longer, which is okay. Also keep an eye on AUD JPY because it's gonna be yeah, it's gonna be interesting. So the daily time frame, same as GJ, you know, bearish, exceeding the low of the previous is, so kind of struggling at these highs right now, which makes sense. It's been pushing up recently quite a lot, so that's okay. The 4-hour time frame is bullish right now, which is okay. Let's take a look at this hourly time frame. Yeah, so I mean, it's kind of the same thing here. It retraced off a certain level of support, which was down here. Tapped 91,180 in this wick. Came back up to pretty much resistance, actually. So resistance is pretty much here in this area. It's tapped it, and now it's starting to come back down to maybe retest the lows and flip the 4-hour. The 4-hour is flipping right now. What could you have on the previous 4 hours? Ooh. 29 pips. I thought it just looked a lot closer. So kind of the same thing for AUD JPY. Which one do I like better? I think the GJ one maybe is a bit bigger zone. Yeah. However, this previous hourly candle in AUD JPY is kind of slow. So GJ flip question mark. For a buy? Hell no. I mean, if you wanted to, my issue is it's exceeded the low. It's 22 pips the stop would be, and also the 4-hour time frame previous was bearish. This one's looking like it's making a top wick to then flip and fill this wick. So 15 to 30 minute closure. We'll see. Probably 30. Yeah, probably the 30. I think. Yeah, 30 will just give you that extra little bit of confirmation, maybe. Oh yeah. Pretty strong bullish power still on GJ. It's still, the overall trend is bearish, yeah, but I don't think it's very bullish today. I think it could easily come back down to 59,050 today for sure. Yeah, exactly. So it should be good. It should be nice. So we'll see. 90 people early today.
What's up, guys? Milan is in the house.
Milan is in the building.
You started without me?
Yeah, bro.
What time you start?
7 AM.
What is that?
14 minutes ago. 14 minutes ago, man. You're lazy.
Morning routine first.
Yeah.
How's the market?
Moved quite a lot in Asian.
Yeah?
Yeah. Moved quite a lot. GPY retail sales. Oof. Minus 0.8. So news is okay. ADP at 115. That's going to be interesting. But yeah, it looks like it kind of moved kind of a lot through Asian. So this 4-hour flip in here looks nice, man. To then continue back down to 59. 159,077. So that's probably what I'm going to look for. Goldie, I do want it to come above 1928, and then it should be nice in there. Because that'll be exceeding the high of the daily, the previous daily. I'm really respecting that level of support there again. So caught the bull run on AG from the bottom 30-minute chart. Ooh, all the way here. Damn, nice. That worked pretty nicely. That one 30-minute candle seemed to work, and then just exceeding the highs. It was pretty easy, eh? Pretty easy. So yeah, gold is moving. Let's take a look. Yeah, gold is potentially moving over here. Is it a bit too early on? It's flipped the 4-hour time frame and exceeded the high of the previous. I mean, if it just closed above on the 30-minute, damn, or the 15-minute, could be good to continue into this next zone, 1938 to 1928. Oof. Should be pretty nice. GJ is still continuing down over here. Is it 15 closed? Yeah, it has, and it's exceeded the low. Oof. Kind of nice. Coming towards the 4-hour flip. Coming towards. Oh, that was a stinking move, man. Fuck. I was being cautious though. I was waiting for this 30, so I mean, great.
I actually should be wearing a cowboy hat for a ticket.
Did you? Nice.
Yep.
How much was your stops?
15 pips, so a bit bigger.
Yeah, yeah.
Again, based on the 5-minute chart, just like yesterday on that age.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that was kind of nice. Beautiful, exceeding the lows. It pushed pretty nicely. 8 pips on the high. That was okay. Very nice. I'm still gonna wait for this. But that was good, man. Nice little push. 10 pips. Oh, Tom got it as well. You cheeky guys, man.
Brian's gonna be pissed if he didn't take it.
Yeah, yeah.
He's probably still sleeping.
Caught 10 pips on GJ. Amazing work, guys. Looks like a lot of people got in here. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna maybe join in 30 minutes time. Sorry, in 11 minutes time. Maybe. Take a look at AUD JPY. I'm trying to see if I might get into AUD JPY instead. 15 pips in the previous high. So I'll wait for this closure, see what the crack is, and then I may get into AJ, because I mean, to the next zone here, like 16 pips, down here is 52, so could be nice. 106 people in here, jeez. Very, very nice. So yeah, we'll see. 10 minutes time for this closure. We will see.
Hey, Max, I kind of lost it. What you looking for? Sell? I'm not sure.
Yeah. How do you not like it, bro?
What time play?
Can you not see the 4-hour?
4-hour.
Yeah, the 4-hour flipping soon. What time frame?
Yeah,
Well,
it's right on the zone.
I'm waiting for the 30-minute to close. I'm waiting for 30-minute to close.
This is not sell for me.
Really? I'm surprised. I thought you'd be liking this. If the hourly close is bearish for me,
No,
this
I'm
is
just looking for
resistance.
clean traffic.
Yeah, but that is clean traffic. Look all the way down. 64 pips.
Yeah, but look 1 hour chart. For me, that's not.
What do you mean, down here?
Waiting below.
down here.
Waiting below your zone.
Down here is clean for me, look. But yeah,
Yeah, that's like 10 pips. How many pips
that's
is that?
60 pips.
6?
It's 60 pips.
Yeah, my zone is below, like yours.
Yeah. Below here.
That's a clean for me. Yeah, that's a
Yeah,
good.
that's fair. I just like the 4-hour here, flipping and filling that wick. Oof. 80 JPY, same kind of thing. And what I like about the 4 hours is retest the previous resistance. So yeah, if I could get into a sell right now on 80 JPY, that would also be pretty good for me. So we'll see.
AJ, if it closes below that 30 minutes.
Yeah. 9 minutes time. GJ more downside, to be honest. Let's see. Where's your stop loss going to be on GJ? We'll have to see. I'm going to have to wait into the closes, maybe wait for a top wick and then a drive, maybe. Looks like a lot of top wicks and drives have been working, so that's probably what I'm going to have to do. Would be next. Yes, you're looking a bit. I still think this zone here for me is okay. I still think resistance forming, riding it back down here is enough. 70 pips.
Maybe I'm sleepy, but I don't see what you see, guys.
I'm seeing resistance forming. That's what I'm seeing.
Yeah, you see on GG on 30 minutes. The zone below. At the price right now. That's what I'm thinking.
Oh, like
30 minutes. See
like
that?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean that's all right. I mean, I don't really mind too much about that. It's below that one here. Just get anywhere in this area. ADG price sells below or buys above. Sells are going to be what I'm looking for, I think. I mean, buys above, you'd want maybe the daily to be with you, or at least above 91,971. Sells are going to be good in 7 minutes time, maybe. GJ candles are massive recently, yeah, a lot of volume in. Make sure to like the stream up, guys, if you're new here as well. Subscribe. Yeah, GJ candles have been pretty beefy recently. Did you close? Have you guys closed some profits here? Or did you close some profits? Yeah, it was 18 pips, fucking hell. You must have.
I took my 12 pips and ran.
Nice.
Still early. So.
Good lad, good lad. Yeah, exactly. Still early, so if you get in, just get out quick. 80% at 11 pips, nice. Very nice. How much is stops on this area? 20 pips. 20 pepperonis. So we'll see in the next 30 minutes or so. Sorry, in the next 30-minute candle closures. Any news this morning? There's going to be not really too much. That's good. GJ zones, I like gold zones, 100 pips. Yeah, I know. Like this, like maybe a couple of months ago, it was like 10 pips. Now it's like 60. Oh my god, Milan, your fucking mic.
No, just stretching.
I can tell. I fucking hear every single nook and cranny.
Our ears are stretching with you.
Yeah.
Say what?
I said our ears are stretching with you.
Yeah.
80 JPY sells below, yes. I mean, the only issue is the further it comes closer to here, then that kind of sucks, so I'll see. Fucking Milan's mic again.
It's not mine.
It is, you fucking donut. I can put on a high amount of money that is yours. Because, you know why I know? Because you're the only one that's fucking unmuted. It has to be you.
Bullshit.
Pre-market gold up. Yeah, sick look. How about GJ? Kind of the same thing, man. Just waiting for some closures back below. Because this hourly did close above. 159,914, so got to be cautious in that area because this could be making the low wick to then flip. So what I want is at least a 30 closure, and if there's still nothing there, then I'll probably just wait for the hourly.
Max, you should have seen Vincent laughing like crazy, but he's muted.
Really?
You should see that he's dying laughing.
Is he? Let's see. Look. Where the hell is my screen thing? Where the fuck is it? Lost it. I've lost my. Oh, there it is. Milan's not in. Milan's not. Got his pictures on today.
Say what?
You don't have your video calling on today. Is it still dark in your country in the morning? What time is it?
What the fuck is? It's morning, like
What time is
like
it?
3-4 hours still.
Oh.
It's not even dark here anymore.
8:30 is here. 8:30.
That late? We have daylight, full-on daylight at 5 a.m.
That's mad.
You guys are penguins.
Yeah. Oh, gold just tapped 928. Was like, nope. Let me come back down. Let me come back down. 926 here in Turkey. Oh damn. Oh damn. So yeah, I'm gonna see over here. I may wait for the hourly. If there's nothing that I can really see, I'll just wait for the hourly. But it's good to see that it is tapping previous zones and kind of rejected, which is good to see. GG is finally getting a closure, but this 15 minute isn't really closing as strong as I'd want it to, so not looking too good. And you know, this hourly hasn't exceeded the low yet, so you know, it could be just making the lower wick to do something like this, so I've got to be a bit cautious. I'd rather maybe wait for this hourly to close then. If there's nothing that's like proper show me anything, then yeah, I'm not gonna risk it. So yeah, this closure is gonna be pretty shit. However, the AJ one is okay. AJ.
GU is fucked
Why?
for last 2 weeks. It's
Really?
fucked. Yeah, it's so engine. Impossible to trade GU.
GU.
GU betrayed me.
GU. I'm closing a little bit stronger. See, look at this AG. The good thing with the AG is it's exceeded the low of the previous hourly now, whereas GG has not. So that's a little bit better.
Hey, do any of you guys know how I can fix a problem on TradingView? I had an alert, and it keeps going off even though I try to remove it.
Oh.
It just sits there on the fucking screen.
Is that like
I
a line?
reloaded, I
Is
did
there a
everything.
line there?
Yeah.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
click on it
And
and
if I-
press delete.
Right click on her.
And then it says, could not delete this alert.
Oh. You just get bombarded with an alert every day.
Yeah, yesterday it was like a fucking carnival. Ding, ding, ding,
Really?
ding. Every
Ah,
time
shit,
it
I don't
crossed.
know actually.
It's just,
Did you if you have a look in that little thing that I've circled on Max's screen, the alert section there, it might be in there and you can delete it out of that as well.
I'll give
Over
that
to
a
the
try.
right, top right.
It's a good idea.
Or wait to go. Wait the price to go above that alert.
Oh, that one was that was a golden one.
Okay, that's $10.
Yeah. No, I had alert for my other account. I have a swing trading account also.
Swing trade.
Looks like AJ is going to close below that 30 minute zone.
Yeah.
AJ.
Yeah. The only issue is that the next support here is kind of close.
I must be blind, but I cannot see your zone.
There. Yeah. So I mean, the 30
I mean,
closed.
1 hour is so choppy. 1 hour is so choppy also. No.
I mean, I wouldn't say it was choppy. I think if this next
I
candle.
mean, not choppy, but it's not clean.
I think if this candle closes like that, oh shit, not fucking oval, Jesus. There we go.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Like, if this candle closes like that and the next one makes a top wick and drives down, I think it's clean candles, resistance forming to the low. I think that's a pretty standard setup.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be doing another cowboy trade this session. I'm gonna leave the head on the rack.
But the only thing here is that this, if I'm selling into that, that's the only issue. So yeah, that's kind of the only worry I've got.
I'm not taking this. Fuck.
Yeah, and I'm probably gonna wait for this hourly. I want to see a retracement at least anyway, so I can get 10 pip stop on there. So we'll see. What do you think of selling GJ if next 30-minute broke previous 30-minute lows? We have a 4-hour flip with us and fill the 4-hour wick. Yeah, I mean it looks good. The only issue is where would your stops be? I mean current candles is 13 pips. Oof, if you can see the low, it's kind of a lot. It's a lot, and also the actual weight, you know, you're not putting it over previous, so it's a little riskier. Should we wait for any more confirmations for gold buy? Yeah, closure above. There's no confirmation yet because we've just rejected previously. So if you come back up to that area and close above, then it should be good to continue. AJ coming down now, which is okay. Yeah, let's take a look at the zone between here and here. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait for closures below here. I think. Yeah, that's gonna look a little nicer. These candles we've been running, look at that. If you just got in on the low there, well, not the low, sorry, the flip there, you're like 5 pips already. Yeah, but I'm gonna wait for further below here. I think same kind of thing on GJ. I'm gonna wait 600. $159,598. That's where I'm gonna wait. There we go. Take a look. Got in an AJ 91787 running nicely. Wait, what was that? 91787. Oh, nice. You got up higher. Oh, in that flip. Delicious. Delicious. Coming down them areas. Oof. Your runner could be doing pretty good over here in a sec. Maybe. So yeah, we'll see. How long left for 8 o'clock? Yeah, I still got quite a lot of time, so there's no rush. 15 pips, nice. 181 people in here, damn, before 7:30? Jeez! Anyone taking any trades yet? Let's take a look at Discord and see. I want some more people to put in some charts over here. Make sure to put some charts at the stream. We can take a look at some. Whack them in here, we'll take a look. Maybe some losers as well. Maybe if you took some losing trades, we'll take a look at all that. What was your support on GJ? My main support on GJ right now is 159081 here. That is the support, and I want sells below this area. Nice, you know, 50 pip zone. Kind of moves pretty clean in this area, so yeah, I'm gonna look below there. Same thing for AJ. So because AJ and GJ pretty much move the same, it's just you know, so it kind of gives you 2 entries if I miss one, which is good. Yesterday it literally happened. AJ was just following GJ, which is kind of nice to see. It was pretty easy. So if you miss like GJ, you know AJ's gonna come. So that was pretty cool. I mean, I still fucking missed AJ yesterday, but anyway. And you didn't, Vincent. Yeah. You guys smashed that, man. Oh, it was such a nice trade as well. It ran so easily. All that move. Oh. Look to the left, clean candles. So that was an easy trade. At least there. Tasty. I took a sell on GJ Max right 159741. 741. Oof. Yeah, I think As I said, I think maybe got in a bit too early here. The hourly's still got 24 minutes, hasn't exceeded the low yet. So yeah, I think below here would have been nice if 592, 598, which may happen a bit later on. Whereas at the moment, this could reflip the hourly. So just want to wait a little bit here. Do you get my zones now, Milan?
Say what?
Do you like my zones now?
Yeah, no, it's fine. No, it's fine.
No, it's fine. Yeah, I thought maybe with more aggressive we could pass this level, but I'm like, you know what? We're probably not. This is actually 2 o'clock. It's kind of a big support, so I'd rather wait below that level.
Yeah. Wait for the London Open after that.
Yes, sir. Wow, look at that. It's goldy. Oof. Taking a look at gold and how you could have got in maybe a bit earlier on. I mean, that 30-minute closure there. At 12 o'clock, pushed up pretty nicely. Yeah, for me, I mean, maybe this flip in there was kind of nice. Stop loss was 14 pips. Gained 12, 13, and then runner would have probably gone like 36. That was pretty good. Did anyone see the Max? Hey Max, good morning. Who is your mentor?
Milan.
Milan is my mentor, yeah. Nah, I learned from a lot of people, but the main one was probably Raja. But also Ted. Yeah, they're the main 2 really. Can I use buy stops and sell stops from controller? Learn how to do them really. And yeah, you know, a lot of people. I'll never just say one person because it's like a bunch of people. So yeah, bunch of people. 190 people in YouTube. Jeez. Yeah, we hit 4,000 subscribers, which is pretty cool. 4,000, man. Which is pretty nice. We're happy with that. 4,000, jeez. Let's take a look at analytics. We'll do some more Magic Keys giveaways soon, maybe. Look at that last 90 days. Oh, that bank. That's from Dr. Dollar. I can't believe that's such a less amount of money than he gave me, though. Fucking YouTube milks that. Holy shit. Yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, pretty nice to hit 4,000. I also hit 6,000 on Instagram, which is good. But Instagram, man, we gotta get those numbers up, man. I don't know how to do it. It's just so hard. I just have to post more because goddamn, those scammers are just buying more followers than I've got. So it's just easier for them to scam.
I'm looking GJ for buy. 1 hour.
20 minutes left. I mean, if it retraces back up from there, then yeah. I mean, if that 30-minute close is bullish for me and then exceeds these highs, then yeah, I think
that's a nice zone above.
I think that could be quite good. What time frame do you use when drawing support and resistance? 15-minute, my man. Most of the time, 15 minutes. So always on the body of the candle. So if you look here to the left, right, it actually works with the 30 this time as well. But if you look at the 15, it's on the 15 body. Here is on the 15 body, so it's always in the body of the candles.
I stopped using 15 max. I only use 1 hour now.
For zones?
Yeah.
I know, you've been looking at more higher time frames, haven't you?
Yeah. Seems more safer.
Max, your sound a little bit low. Oh shit. What my...
Yeah, your mic sound.
Oh, is it? Shit. Okay, let me sort this out. No, it's fucking not. I love it. I can see it. It's fine. Oh no, it's maybe a little bit. How the fuck do I fix that? Ah, nah, it's a bit better now.
I think Milan is just teasing you because you're always on his back for mic.
Yeah, Milan, you got a fucking shit mic. At least my mic works. Yours crackles and pops. Yours crackles and pops. It's like, what the fuck?
Donate for
Donate to
Milan.
Fine for me. Alright, okay, good stuff. 46 like, guys. Make sure you like the stream. Yeah, anyone see the France game yesterday? God damn, I think they're gonna win it, man. They're absolutely dominating. That French team is.
Oh, they're the beast.
They're beasts. There's no way we're beating them. Like England, I just can't see it. Yeah. They got a good team on their hands there. Why do you think GJ is moving like that? 18 pips in one single 5-minute candle. Just a lot of volatility, you know, a lot of. I don't know. I think it's to do with JPY. I think it seems to be having some struggles over there in Asia. So, yeah, I think that's where we're at. Yeah. So looking like AJ as well came back up, popped up a little bit. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for a buys above, closes below, all that good stuff. Because yeah, I mean, if we do get closures back above here for 8 o'clock, I mean the zones here pretty clean. So kind of nice. So gang, Alex here. Miss you all. Almost 1 here in Mexico. Sheesh! My guy's back in Mexico.
Mexico.
Is this hourly on GJ will flip? Would you consider a buy? No.
Yeah, that's 40 pips stop.
Yeah, 40 pip stop. I'd rather just wait for the hourly closure and then try and sort things out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I miss Alex. Alex is G. Mexican food is good. Mexican food is banging. What's your favorite food though? The food that you could probably eat every day? I'm trying to think, but
Chicken.
recently, what? Just chicken? Chicken's fucking boring, man. I was thinking like, I think pizza is up there. I think I could eat a lot of pizza, but I think at some point I will get fucking bunged up. So much bread. So maybe pizza. Chinese has got to be up there, but the only issue with Chinese is because it's got so much salt in the day after. I feel like I'm dehydrated as shit. Dehydrated, boy. Prawns and shrimps, seafood. Oh wow, that's an interesting one. Prawns and shrimp. I like prawns and stuff, but fuck me, like picking them and stuff and like decapitating them and shit. It takes ages for how much you're getting, bro. I'm there for like an hour trying to fucking get this prawn and give me some meat. So it says curry. Yeah, curry's got to be up there. I think I eat more. I think I'd eat more Chinese food than I would curries though. Official Linz has recommended your channel. Oh, amazing! Yeah, Official Linz she's a G, man. Shout out Official Linz. Hit sell stop on gold. Ooh, you got a sell stop on gold? Okay. I think the issue of getting into a gold trade is what? Someone tell me. You know, getting into a gold trade here, no matter if it's a buy or a sell, is, you know, it's just.
So ranging.
Yeah, it's just in a range. So, you know.
The guy got balls.
Yeah. Because what could happen is price could come. It depends, obviously, where you're taking profit. Maybe it'll scrape 10 pips out of here, but price could come down to
just hoping.
Yeah, price could maybe come down to here, and then continue back up. But yeah, I mean, you know, the higher time frames are kind of ranging, so I'd be careful. Yeah, I'd kind of be careful. I booked 16 pips in GJ, 50-minute break, previous candle low. Where, on here? A40. Lynn's got me here too. Good morning, brother. Perfect timing for me. Oh man, Lynn's is such a G. Shout out Lynn's, man. If you guys haven't followed Lynn's, make sure to go follow her. She streams NY.
That Asian chick?
Is that the what?
No,
She
Milan.
fucking Asian. Jesus Christ.
Far from it.
Yeah. Lindsay's American. I think she's American.
Let me see.
Yeah.
I know you're talking about some girl.
Like, draw my level.
Who is Asian.
Man. Ooh, look at them losses for the year, man. Only 7 losses. That's fire. Oof. GJ's bringing in some volume, boy. Owlie's about to flip nice. Lol, me as well, official lens, yeah. You accidentally bumped your camera, bro. Oh shit. Sorry. You see me relaxing my onesie. Not my onesie. In my little gown over here. GJ about to drive, yeah, and I may get into it if it closes the next 30 minutes. It may just drive here with me, but I know that the Owlie's probably gonna make a top wick and stuff, so we'll see. Check Discord, please. Let's take a look at Discord. Okay. Oh, nice. So you actually took the 15-minute resistance. Beautiful with a very, very tight stop as well. That was nice. Nice tight stop. Move stop loss to break even close 50%. Amazing work, man. Very, very good. Maybe closing a bit more than 50%, I think, because you got some good R to R, man, right there. You got look like 2 to 1 R to R, so I think that was pretty nice. I would only consider buys after a H4 bull closure. Daily and 4 hour strong support, NY session potential. Yeah, let's take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, the issue is the 4 hour, man. I don't know if I like the buys in the 4 hour. But I mean, we'll see. We'll see what it gives us. We'll see what it gives us. 214 people in here. Sheesh. Doing an amazing squad. It could drop at any moment. Yeah, we'll see. Ignacio in our group, by the way, people on YouTube, is like 1.4% off passing phase 2 of a 200k account. My guy just doesn't want to trigger the fucking last trade. the past like 6 days, we've had winners every single day. We haven't taken one loss, and my guy just hasn't pressed the buy or the sell. I'm like, no, it's just fate that this next trade you're gonna take is gonna be a fucking loss. I'm like, bro, you're worried about it too much. Just take them.
Where are you from, Ignacio? De donde eres?
Donde eres?
South America.
Can you speak much Spanish? Spanish, Milan?
Puerto Rico, yeah.
Petico, a little bit. I know a bit of Spanish.
No, más o menos. You're supposed to say más o menos. I already speak with the chicks.
You only speak with the chicks. I only say la cuenta por favor. That's what I say. When I'm in a pub, la cuenta por favor. Give me the bill.
Tus ojos muy lindos.
People are, someone's saying poquito más o menos. What the fuck does that mean? I'm totally confused how much percentage I close at 10 pips. Sometimes it moves 50 pips, sometimes it hits break even. Well, that's the thing, you know, you've got to get a method of closing, you know, a good proportion. That's why I say, you know, if the zone's big or if it's before 8 o'clock, then just take it, you know, take like 90%, because normally before 8 o'clock it doesn't move like, you know, a huge amount. And you know, the zones, I always talk about the zones. If it's a big zone, then nice. It's all down to you. What you got to do is you got to find your potential, you know, set risk. Or you know, for me it depends on the setup. You know, sometimes I want to run it more because higher time frames are maybe pushing and exceeding highs and stuff. It's all about the setup. It's different every time. If you see it struggling, and you can, it's just tap 10 pips and close the whole thing, if it's struggling. If it's pumping down pretty hard and, it's running pretty nicely over here, then maybe leave it on a little bit longer, or maybe close 70% and leave 30. It all depends on the setup. But the good thing is that a break-even runner is, a test. Every single runner, you can have like a runner's document of go, right, I ran this 20%, this one hit break even, this one hit break even, this one hit break even. Why did this one at this time run 30 pips, and then mark it down, and then you'll start to get a journal of when you should be holding and when you shouldn't. And it's normally when higher time frames are pushing and exceeding lows and breaking resistances and supports normally. Being a bit picky for the last 1.4%, yeah. Yeah, exactly. He says, cosas muy buenas. I don't know what that means. GJ rejected almost 500 pips on the monthly. Do you think GJ is moving like this because of the monthly closing? No, I don't think the movement is just because of the monthly closing. I think it's about a lot of Asian markets are struggling right now. Recently. Let's take a look at what's been happening maybe through Asian. Let's take a look. Look. BG Connect emergency market operation offer to buy 100 billion yen in 10 to 25 years. So yeah, so there's a lot of things going on in Asia at the moment. And look, China toughens up battle on COVID again. Like, oh my god, if this fucking comes back around, please someone kill me. Like literally, I have to hear that motherfucking word on the news ever again. 40 days.
Hey Max, who put a sell stop on gold?
Someone on the stream.
From our group?
No. Someone on the stream, yeah. But I mean, they shouldn't have really done that because it is just in a range here. So, yeah, just be careful, man. Just be careful with these early entries, trying to get in for a sniper. Just wait for closures and stuff. You didn't have the daily with you. The 4 hour wasn't horrendously bearish, only like a pip, 10 pips and bearish. The overall trend is pretty still bullish. We've rejected the previous level quite hard. The daily time frame closed on support, so it's kind of hard to justify a sell at that point. Always go through what's against you, because when you get things that are against you, you can see if it's worth it or not. Today, Raja booked 25
Finn is
pips.
always against us.
Finn is always what?
Against us.
Yeah. I'm interested for Asian markets. Oh, let's take a look. Russia and China agree to widen a collaboration. I bet they do. I bet they fucking offer a collaboration. Shit. So we're gonna have to put sanctions on China. Shit. They're beefy.
Good luck.
Yeah, good luck with that. You fucking you couldn't be asked to pay. You couldn't be asked to pay your workers in your own country and use them for fucking 20 years, and now you're trying to sanction them, bro. They own you. Shit. So it's kind of good. I mean, after this kind of stuff, you kind of realize that maybe you do have to produce things out of your own country. Maybe it costs a bit more. Maybe profit isn't always the thing. Maybe a bit of safety is. It's kind of worth it. End of the quarter 2 profit taken. Yeah, exactly. March has been pretty good throughout the past couple. I'd say like half. So let's just see why, right? So started to get better around this time, I think, and you can see why. Like, why would you think we've been doing really, really well here? We haven't taken a loss since like there. I think we had one loss there on that day. Compared to here. Well, you can just see easily why. Here was ranging ass for fucking two months, January, February. Now we're getting clean candles, so next time you start seeing
finally
this, then just fucking leave it alone. Just go on holiday.
The February was awful.
Yeah, February was shit. That simulation though, I'm gonna post that today. Wasn't too bad in January. I mean, it wasn't like a massive month, but it was still profitable. I didn't really take many losses, but going back on it now, so we're more wary now, you know, which is good to be. So 3 minutes left for these closures, guys. Now, so take a look at gold. Gold has not closed above, so I'm not really looking too much to get into buys yet. It's still in this range. AUD JPY is in this little consolidation range here now. So I'm gonna wait for closures below here and closures above here to potentially take them trades. And then GJ, if this 30-minute, oh shit, if this 30-minute closes back above, let's take a look, right? Yeah, man, the daily candle's really bearish, man. Do I really want to be taking these buys? I don't know, man. That 50 minutes kind of nice closure. This current 50-minute candle's kind of weak. So yeah, I mean, maybe if we get a nice closure above there, but then we're coming to here, so it's kind of hard for buys on GJ.
Just high low on GG on daily.
On daily? What you talking about high low? It's lower lows, bro.
No, I mean on higher lows, like on lower low trend.
Ah, okay, yeah, I know. I don't know. I just, you know, we know. I mean, let's take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, so the 4 hour is with you if you took buys. It's fair enough, but I don't know. I think the daily's a bit too far for me to. It's just if I lost it, I'd be like, yeah, you know what? The daily time frame is all the way up here. Why the fuck did I take a buy? But I do think, I mean, if this candle exceeds the high there, it could be good. But then there is a bit of choppiness here, so I don't know. I don't know if I like it. How do you put the clock on the stream? I just looked on YouTube. There's loads of videos. You basically go to a Google site where you can find a clock, and then you just copy it and put it in your OBS.
Oh, clock.
Yeah, the clock. The clack.
I heard something else.
Oh, my cock. How do you put the cock on the screen? Yeah, this 30-minute candle now has exceeded the high and exceeded the low of the previous, so kind of indecision of where it wants to go. So when I start seeing stuff like this, you know, I relax for another 50 minutes. Yeah. My res for GJ is above 50-30 instead of 1 hour res. Yeah. So like here. Yeah, kind of the same for me now. But that only did have a nice retracement, you know, coming all the way back below, rejecting, and now pushing back up. But yeah, I'm just going to wait a little longer over here. I just don't like this 4 hour and the daily. So if I don't have the higher time range with me, it's got to be an absolutely delicious setup for me to take a buy. So yeah, 247 people in here. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new here. Put in the chat if you're new here today. I'll come say hi to you guys. For what it's worth, yen if quite strong today. It actually has the strongest move of all currencies, and USD is the weakest for now. Ah, it's interesting.
Oh, there goes.
I wonder if that guy's still holding on his gold, man. Maybe he's swinging it, but I don't know. For me, these daily candles on gold are like meh.
I wonder if that one guy you met is still holding. The one with the gold
yeah. Bless him. Shit, I told him though, if he actually listened to what I said, he would have actually made his money back. But I doubt he did, to be honest. Especially when you're in that. I mean, when I was younger, I did that. You don't want to close your losers, even though you know you're the inevitable, and you're not gonna. You know, he also hedged it as well, so you had to lose it. But he doesn't want to close it. But if he closed it when I told him to, and then ran gold up the next week, which was a huge week, he may have been okay. But he needs to learn that lesson, you know. I think if he got that all the way back, it wouldn't give him anything. He would just lose it again. So Max, do you get copyright for music? Yeah, like proper music. This is just copyright-free shit. But like, if you go here on my you'll see some of my content is copyrighted, but I just can't be asked because I mean, sometimes I need to listen to a bit of like J. Cole or Kanye. I can't be asked for it. So like, yeah, ineligible, limited, ineligible, all that kind of stuff. It kind of sucks, but what can you do? Okay, so GJ over here closed 30-minute bullish, didn't close above, so that's fine for me. 50-minute also didn't close above, so I'm chilling. The hourly though kind of closed. You know, the celery play is looking okay. You know, the celery play is looking pretty nice. So I mean, if you get a low wick here and exceed the high, you could get into potential impulsive, but it's got to be pretty nice. And I probably will just want the closure above. I'm not going to be taking any impulses, especially if I don't have the daily with me. Holy shit. So, yeah. First time and already liking the vibe. Oh, nice. Michelle's here. I wonder who else is new here. It's one of the hardest psychological things in trading to close losses. Yes. And the funny thing is that it's one of the hardest things, but actually, they're the only things that you can control, really. You can control the risk, you can control closing trades. Yeah. Sahid, stop spamming gold. There's fucking nothing going on in gold. Come on, man. Just if Timmy, come on, I'm gonna have to do that analogy again. If I had Timmy, and I said, Timmy, what is happening right now? What is this? It's called a range. So you leave it alone. Max, who is that person to complain about your mentorship? Oh my god, this dude, man. This dude is clearly just a fucking skin. And he just blew his account. He's a fucking idiot.
Cool.
Yeah, he goes, wasn't happy that I lost too much money. I'm like, okay, fair enough. I mean, we didn't take any losses in the past 16 days, and you only had it for a month. But anyway, so go on to what his proof was, and it was literally just, where was it? This is his proof. This is yesterday. AUD chuff. How the fuck?
Zoom it, please.
Zoom in. Alright, okay. Right. I don't fucking trade GU and I don't trade AUD chuff, but he basically said that he lost money on my mentorship. I'm like, in this day, I'm like, what are you talking about? I didn't even trade these pairs.
Tell you who does trade GU? Milan.
Yeah. Is this you, Milan? You trying to scam me? So he's clearly just lost a lot of money, and he wants to get some money back. He's like, oh shit, I'll just get it from the person I should have been listening to.
Or he subscribed to one of those scammers.
Well, yeah, but the thing is, the scammers are actually using my links. So they're
okay.
Yeah, so they're actually, so I would know, like, he definitely signed up to my thing, but I mean, that's just stupid. So I said in my like thing, I will get it back, but I said, well, yesterday, funny enough, yesterday we didn't actually take any trades. This guy is talking shit. But anyway, some people, man, you just get them sometimes. Yeah, exactly.
He was on Instagram.
You are?
That guy was on Instagram, or
I have no idea, man. He just comes on. I only see his email. Well, yeah, exactly. And it's not even like that. He obviously just didn't put the effort in. He thought that, you know, it's just kind of silly. And I mean, April I'm gonna go through the actual trades. I'm gonna actually mark that down. I'm gonna use controller's template, but I mean, through March, just take a look up here. I'm just looking how many losses I took through the whole. 3, 4. Okay. 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh my god. 14.
Stop lying, Max.
15. I'm counting on my screen one sec. 15. Okay, so we've got 15 winners, 4 losses, and 3 break-evens. So how the fuck is that horrendous? I mean, what the fuck does this guy want me to do? Holy shit. 100% win rate, bro. That's a fucking 15 and like 4 losses, 3 losses. That's fucking good shit. You can suck a dick. Anyway. GG sales look like it's on the table again. Oof. Yeah, maybe. Flipping the 4 hour again. Bit of momentum. I'm gonna wait for 8 minutes to close. Let's take a look at AJ. Yeah, kind of interesting. So we'll see. We will always make mistakes when trading. It's part of the game. As you get more experience, but mistakes will continue. Yeah. Glad he blown his account. Another person who shouldn't be trading for him to get rich quick scheme. Yeah, exactly, man. I just saw it. I was like, there's been a claim made by you. I'm like, oh my god, what is this dumb cunt saying? And I'll just see, I'll sort out. Like, oh my god, its proof is just so shit. What a garbage pair, yeah. He's just raging about having lost a bunch. It always sucks, but own up to the trades you take, dude. Yeah, exactly, man. Blame it on someone else, bro. Did you guys watch his lot sizes? Oh, I didn't actually. Let's take a look. Yeah, man, look at that. I mean, look at his lot sizes. They're just random. Starts on like a 0.42, goes to a 0.2. You know, there's no, like the first thing I say to people is, you know, keep a fixed lot size in these pairs. So he clearly just hasn't listened to me at all, which, you know, you can't help retards, you know. Yeah, gold isn't doing much, guys, so I kind of leave it alone. I hope that guy's kind of got out of his gold because, yeah, it's just in the zone here. Look at the hourly. The hourly closed doji, so it means that it's kind of struggling for a direction here. That's the worst thing you can do when you take a loss, increase your lot size. Yeah. Every single time I lost a trade when I was younger and increased my lot size for the next trade, I'd lose it. I don't think I ever won it, like the next trade. I think I've lost it every single time. 100% loss rate. When I was younger. Shit. Literally.
Yeah, we all do that.
Yeah, I'd be like, oh shit, man, I'm just gonna put a big lot on, and you'd fucking lose that. And you're like, oh, now I've lost like 20% of my account, man. This sucks. And then, yeah, downward spiral. Hey, man, what is the reason behind GJ volume? Just a lot of Asian tensions, a lot of the war things. Just kind of a lot of things, you know. Yeah. Manga layering. Ah, that's what it is, isn't it? Yeah, you're pretty much doing that.
Yeah, you're progressive trading.
But then also your emotional side, like when you're actually taking the trades, is it actually a setup, or are you just doing it emotionally? So, yeah.
It's more gambling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Raja lose a trade, then increase his lot size and win next. Yeah, Raja's strategy right now is interesting. Let's just say that. The funny thing I think is as I said, like his day, like you know, boot camps and stuff. Like I don't know what he's actually teaching now, because his change in trading in the past 2 years has been ridiculously big. Like it's a complete change in method. Before he'd have an 80%, 85% win rate. You'd take his 10 pips, 15 pips, and then fuck off. Now he will have a 52%, 55% win rate. Hold gold on until it runs 100 pips, or lose 10 pips. So you know, it's kind of a massive change in trading strategy.
Yeah, he's doing passive income. He's concentrated on that.
Yeah. So it'd be funny to actually see what he's I was thinking about getting some people from my community to just trade based on emotions and feelings, just to have an account trade against them. It'll probably work. Yeah, exactly. That's what I was saying. I want a couple of my mates from uni to trade, and I'll just do the inverse. Make bank. Such an easy way as well. That is like a unlimited money glitch. Just fucking, because everyone loses at the start. I mean, I don't know one person who hasn't lost. Just inverse their whole chart. Just shove them in a room. You know, give them £1 million, so give them like 100 grand each. 10 people. Just trade it, lose it all, and I'll make a mil. It's easy. Yeah, fun program do that shit.
Yeah, that's how most prop firms make their money. Because people think they can, splash out $200. I have 200,000 in a week or two.
Yeah.
I think that's to take the money.
Exactly. Now, I mean, GJ now looks really good to continue, but god dang, the stop losses are big. God dang. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for a closure above and be really like disciplined today because I don't want to take a 15-20 pip loss. GA. Yeah, GA is still below this area, unfortunately. GJ's looks a little bit better above, so we'll see. 2 minutes left for this candle. 2 minutes left. 267 people here. Wicked stuff, guys. Just waiting for a nice little closure on GJ, maybe, to continue up. But I'm being a bit cautious. I want things to be properly in place because the daily is not really with me, and the 4 hour has kind of a weak candle at the moment. So, being a bit cautious in this time. But it's okay, you know. GJ has been pretty good with us recently, so I'm not too bothered if it chills out a little bit more. It's all good. I wonder if that guy's still holding his gold trade shit. 70 likes, guys. Amazing work on the likes. Trying to hit 100 likes today. Don't take too long. Celebrating 4,000 subscribers. But yeah, coming towards the end of March, man, it's been a pretty good month. It's been a lot better than February and stuff, so it's good to see. It's good to see. So this candle's closing in a minute's time. It isn't closing above still, so for me, I'm not taking any impulses today. I don't want to be taking any impulses, so I'm just waiting for a closure like this at least. Or for sells, I am going to be waiting for a candle closure potentially below this area like this. Next one, make a top wick, drive, exceed the low, clean candles to the left. That's what I want to be taking. That's my preferred setup as well. Why is it my preferred setup? Because when we come down here, we'll have the 4 hour with us, because the 4 hour will be flipping bearish. And we have the daily, which is up here, and it'll make it a lot easier. Because if you go to like a backtesting spreadsheet, I know my one's pretty BTEC, so don't laugh about it, but anyway, we just use this. If you take a look, all of the trades that we took over here, I haven't actually taken any losses in this backtesting already, but you can see that every single trade I have at least has the 4 hour on, and most of them have the daily, or it's flipping. So if I'm taking it, if I know this, and I know that most of my winners come from having the daily and the 4 hour with me, if I'm taking buys over here without the daily, this shit's got to be an amazing setup, or I will not be taking it. Because I know probability-wise it's not too good, so. Oh, the guy on gold says, yes, I'm still in it. Nice. Maybe you're going into maybe a bit of profit soon. 30-minute may continue down over here. Maybe you'll squeeze some trades out. Sorry, some little bit of a push, but I don't know. For me, it's not a nice area, you know. I want like these clean candles here. So maybe in the next 15 minutes or so, with a 30-minute closure, could be okay. Is Brian not here today? Is Brian here? Nah, Brian's not here today. Brian's been sleeping, man.
Nicky bastard.
Brian just took that AUD trade yesterday, and And now he's hibernating. So shout out to Brian, one of the people in our groups over here. He did 100% a month this month. He's a really, really top trader.
I think he took Nasdaq last night, and he said that he's done for this month.
Oh,
maybe that's why he's
yeah.
not here. He took that
Yeah,
100
he
pip or
did.
something.
Yeah, he did. Let's take a look. Yeah, over here, won't it? Jason, my god, GG and AJ stops are huge. Also, that open 15 closures sucked ass. Yeah, this is it. Why is my fucking Wi-Fi not working? Shit. Max, how does it feel with the clocks going forward? This time last week it was 7:14. It was back. So it was, this time last week was 9:16, I think. Yeah, look at that trade from Brian and Naz. Look at that stop.
The clock did go forward.
30 pips stop. Fucking 120 pip gains. So yeah, shout out Brian, man. 100% in 1 month. Shit's fire.
Shit.
And that's not him risking, by the way, like 10%. He risks, 1.2, 1% per trade. He's just a good trader.
Congrats.
Yeah, man, this is chilling. I'm not seeing anything really. So look at the candles to GJ right now. They are just putting sideways. If you got a scanner in the supermarket and scanned that, you'd be scanning an apple or something. So kind of ranging. So just chill out. Let it sort itself out. Let it sort itself out.
You are healthy this morning, Max. An apple. Seriously.
Yeah, that's what I like.
Say a kebab or a burrito, and you say an apple.
Apples in supermarket.
Mate, this is the question, right? What is better? Red apples or green apples? There should be one definite answer, and if you guys say the other one, you're fucking pedos.
The green ones.
What? Are you joking? They're so
like the red
sour. The red ones are juicy, man. Green? Really? What the fuck? Pink lady like red apples are fire.
No.
They're so
good
succulent.
tasty green grannies.
Green? Really? Am I actually getting
Yeah.
outweighed by the green? What? No, everyone
Green
in
Maybe because you don't see the color.
everyone in YouTube saying red. Everyone in YouTube saying red, man. Red's for the win. Red are mushy and rotten. What? No, they're not. Green ones are fucking rotten. Like you bite into it and it's sour as shit.
Red are more expensive.
Yeah, because they're better.
Yeah, I like red.
Yeah. Red's much better, man. Donde está la zapateria? I said that so bad. Come to NY, home of the apple. Oh yes. I've been to NY. I've been to NY. New York. I went to NY, and one of the things that I didn't like about it was because my skin's quite bad, man. I've had acne since I was like fucking 15. My skin there flared the fuck up. Holy shit, mate, fucking killed. Maybe it's the air, man. I was dying in New York, man. I was also eating like a fat twat as well, so kind of why.
It's because you're young.
No, because you're Brit.
I'm a Brit.
Homie,
Alien in New York. Alien in New York.
Yeah, I wanted to move to New York, man. It's like sick. I'm gonna work in World Trade Center. But when I got up there, god dang, I did not want to live up there, man. You can see the fucking planes coming to you, man. Hell no, hell no. I went in that building and I was like, I am not working here. Fuck that. Unless I'm on like the first floor. I'm not like, and the building swayed, man. It sways up there. This shit's scary. So yeah,
Swinging
right.
buildings.
Red apple. Okay, next question, right? Okay, this is one of my mates. One of my mates told me about this, and I was like, "Are you fucking joking me?" He said salted popcorn is better than sweet.
Yeah, solid. Yeah,
Yes,
for
it
sure.
is.
Yeah, for sure.
Are you
100%.
Yes.
You need a
100%,
fucking
yeah.
drink every 2 seconds. Nah, mate.
Yeah.
Sweet when it's got the
Sweet
sugar.
popcorn is shit, Max.
No, it's not, Finn.
Yes, it is.
I swear I searched this up on Google and there's more sweet. Salty's not a vibe. Like toffee sweet or like when it's got like the sweet on. Oh, banging.
Yeah,
I've got another one that's always turning up.
with the butter. Oof.
If you're into sweet popcorn, when you are making the popcorn, try to put a small tablet of chocolate inside.
That'd be banging. Nah, salt just isn't a vibe, man.
Do you guys like pineapple on pizza or not?
Absolutely
Yeah.
not. Absolutely not.
I like it.
I would
Yeah.
still eat it. Actually, no, I wouldn't. To be honest. If there's pineapple like frozen pizza in the fridge, I am sitting there and taking the pineapples off.
Fuck off.
Yeah.
Frozen pizza is shit.
Nah,
If you
frozen
have
pizza is the
A homemade pizza with fresh, not canned,
No.
but fresh fruit on top. And I'm talking fresh fruit, not canned fruit. You'll eat it.
There is
I
no
had
way
people-
I am getting a beautiful homemade pizza with fucking pineapple on.
I had English people coming to my restaurant and saying, "Oh, I don't like fruit on my pizza," and I said, "Shut the fuck up, go see it, and I'll make you the pizza." When they ate the pizza, or either it was with mango on top, or banana on top, or pineapple on top,
What the fuck?
they would fucking love it.
I like that.
What the fuck? That's disgusting. I need some greasy, meaty ass pizza with fucking pepperonis all over it with shitloads of cheese.
Kebab
yeah.
pizza, that's the best.
Kebab pizza, yeah. Kebab pizza's the one, man.
You tried the French fries with ice cream.
Yeah, that's just banging.
Okay.
You
Okay.
should, Vincent.
So,
Okay, next question, Max.
now, let's actually look at the charts now. So, I mean, the 30-minute time frame now, 6 minutes left. We haven't really moved from this little area. So, I mean, it's going to be quite interesting to see now. All we need is a closure below or above to really look at potential trades. Gold is still fucking about, and AUD JPY is ranging as well. So, yeah. Let's take a look at any charts. No more charts. Has anyone taken any trade on the stream and you've taken maybe a loss or a win? I know so we're taking some wins.
No,
but,
I'm just checking GU, but those candles on 1 hour are so small, like 1 minute candle.
Max, are you go to
what-
university? Yeah, I went to uni, yeah. I went to uni. I did maths. And it was a piece of cake. My A levels were harder. 35 minutes left. I mean, as long as it respects this level, it could be good. But yeah, I just don't want to play in this little range here. Let's take a look if there's any more news coming out. Wait till gold to go anywhere. Yeah, man, just sitting there. But if NY session bit is not suited for YouTube. Yeah, YouTube, you missed out on the conversations we had yesterday on our NY stream. Holy shit.
I've learned one thing: if you ever get together with the group to have a party, it's gonna be one day you can make a movie about.
Yeah. It's gonna look like a
Oh,
Wolf of
it's
Wall
gonna be
Street
wild.
stream. I took 10 pips on GJ sells 15982 72 on a 5-minute setup. Ooh, a 5-minute setup. Okay. Ooh, was it before here? Maybe there, yeah. Yeah, that was nice. That was nice. A lot of people here on Wednesday now. Jeez, Wednesday's been a busy day. Busy. Seeing that the markets aren't moving at all, really. It's been in this kind of zone for how long now? Since 5:45. So, but like, do you really expect this? Well, probably, because look at the Asian move, man. Asian moved, you know, 200 pips or so on GJ. So, it doesn't really surprise me if this range is for maybe later on to continue, maybe. But we'll see. Still got enough time. It's only 8:30 nearly. So yeah, 9 AM volume again, maybe. Yeah, maybe. I don't like it really when we hover around the 4-hour flip and not just push through it, because it shows that it is just kind of indecisive. And you can see on all charts. Look, can you see in all charts? We are so close to the 4-hour, every single one. So it's just not really picking its kind of direction at the moment.
Yeah.
All the charts are in a range. US 30 also. Yeah. Exactly. Just gotta chill out. 90 likes, nearly hitting 100 likes already. Easy work. Easy work. So yeah, still waiting about. You know, trading is much of a waiting game. You just gotta chill out, wait for the setups to come. Don't be rushing in. Oh shit! Getting some moves over here. Look at AJ.
Yeah, GG gonna flip for us.
Which one do I want to look on? I think AJ looks a bit better for me. Maybe AJ is doing something. AJ is doing something. 2 minutes left. See if we get a closure, maybe. See if we get a closure. Close stops at break even. Oh, nice! And is that in your gold? Oh, yeah, it was in your gold. Stopped at break even. Ah, I think you got stopped at break even. Nice. That was good. Good risk management there. So yeah, could come all the way back down to 9-1. Like, I'd say first of all 3-3-5 would be pretty good. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, GJ's not looking as nice, to be honest with you. You see this 4-hour now starting to push. There's 4-hour wicks here, which kind of suck, but this is the wick I want it to fill if we get that closure. So we will see. This is kind of choppy, but I suppose this is 5 AM, so it's okay for the time being. It's not amazing, but we'll see. We'll see. We will see. Look at AJ. Yes. Hopefully, gold can close above for some buys. Maybe. Maybe. It just looks like it's struggling in that area for sure. Struggling about.
Oh, my gold spreads are 23.
Really?
Yeah.
Oof. Yeah, mine went to like 19 now. Okay, 30 minutes closed below on the 30-minute time frame. Ooh, so a nice little top wick up over here would be pretty nice for me, I think. Let's take a look. Breaks the low right now, then kind of sucky. Because my stop, I don't really know where I could put my stop, so yeah, I gotta wait. It's already broken the lows pretty much instantly, which kind of sucks. So maybe impulse is here, maybe the one, but you know, I don't really want to take an impulse at that area without a top wick. So what can you do? Just gotta wait a little longer, see what it does. Is GJ finally pushing? Nah. So yeah, pretty bearish again, like a bloody barcode. 29 minutes left for this candle, so it's still got a lot of time, which is good to see. 98 likes. Sheesh, you're gonna hit it, boy. Yeah, the 15 doesn't look as clean as the 30. No bottom or top wick. Ah, there was a little bottom one. There was a little bottom one. Not too big though, for sure. Yeah, I kind of wanted a retracement here first. I mean, it still could do it, and then reflip. Get that. But yeah, kind of sucky. Oh my god, gold playing people's lives here, man. You'll learn a good lesson if you've been trying to trade gold there. Holy shit. Oh, AJ, come on, boy. Didn't give me nothing. Still got 30 minutes left for this hourly, though. A lot of time, so we'll see. Fine. Oh, I hit 100 likes. Amazing stuff, guys. Amazing stuff. And there we go. 10 pips. Motherfucker. Nice, nice, nice. No top wick, boy. Straight push. So maybe GJ in the next 50-minute candle or so closing below could be kind of interesting. How big is the zone left? Yeah, it's only got 10 pips to the next one, so that kind of sucks. TH, I'm in. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Someone's happy getting in with that wick over here. Yeah, so now I'm going to focus on GJ maybe this next 50-minute closure. Maybe. Ah, don't run off without us, boy. Classic London session. Yeah, just pushes. GJ 50-minute closure below is potential, but 30-minute range of closure is uncomfortable. Yeah. Oh yes. Ah, AJ, man. Fuck off, Vincent. Don't you dare tell me. No way. Oh, yeah. Another one. Oh, so nice. Why doesn't it just give me a top wick first? Cunt. Did it yesterday as well.
And I'm already at, I have my stop loss at break even already, so.
Oh yeah, you have 20 pips, man. That's a good time to take some pushes off. Easy.
Yeah.
Easy.
Oh, my zone is below 1 hour.
I don't know why you keep saying that, Milan. It's right. Yeah, on the 1 hour, but look at the 30. 30's clean. Just move 20 pips to the support.
I guess I have to be drawing another cowboy hat in my trade.
Yeah. Worked though, it worked well. GJ 4 hour is so nice, yes. That's why I'm looking at it. Yeah. That's why I'm looking at it for sure. So yeah, I'll keep an eye on it. 10 minutes left is 15. I don't really like the 15 here, but it's actually like 14 pips here anyway. So when we get to that low, I'll be closing positions anyway. So we'll see. 10 minutes left though. I have a feeling this may just launch the whole way. So yeah, maybe. There you go. So it looks like AJ followed. AJ pushed and GJ followed. I got in at 91.516. Nice. Just about here. Beautiful work. So yeah, the past 2 trades on AJ that try to get into, kind of being impulsive, but you know, nice closure though. I mean, as long as you put that, I mean, you could have just used a 10 pip stop here, but I don't know. I wanted, especially with the 30 minutes, to make a nice little top wick. So yeah. Should have followed Modern GJ to copy AJ. Oh yes. I'm gonna wait for this closure. I think 9 minutes time, and we will see. Because that 4 hour fill-in will be nice. 11 pip stop on GJ. Yeah, that's good. That was good. Oh, I have my signal as well. Literally there, ready to go. No, it's not there. It's on my phone. AJ sell stop 93555. Oh man, that's happened quite a lot recently in the past like 2 days. I've had the signal ready. If I just fucking pressed it and just did it, bro. Like 3 W's, boy. Yeah, just waiting for this little closure here. So the hourly's exceeded the low of the previous now, made the resistance, and the 4 hours with us now. So yeah, I'm still gonna be looking at this. Maybe 263 people here, wicked stuff. I do want the closure below 598 though, so that's what I'll wait for. Let's take a look at gold. Gold coming down a little bit. Oof. Let's take a look at where the next level is. So gold came all the way back up to 926 and then reflipped it all the way back down, flipped the hourly back again. And then looking like it's continued down. Yeah, the next level of support is 1919, so it's not really too big of the zone. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours with you. And the daily is pretty much, yeah, the daily time frame now, I mean, yesterday was kind of nice because we're breaking these areas, but it is right at that level of support, so I don't really want to be selling here in this area at all, to be honest with you, because it's in a big level of support. It can reject at any point, so. Oh my god. TA stopped out. Ooh, what did you get into? What did you get into? Oh, he got stopped out of GA? Not AJ? Shit, just retraced. You must have got in a little bit lower then. You should have been getting in there, really. This is what I say, you know, if you're getting into trades like there, or you know, somewhere a little bit lower when the move's already kind of happened, are you just getting in a bit too late? Probably, so be a bit cautious. I got in GG at the break of the lows. Oh, here? Nice, you take some profits? You should have taken some profits there. Just past phase 1, my FOREX funds with that GJ sell. Oof. Okay, that's good then. Very, very nice. Oh, don't come back in that zone, please. GJ gonna run off like my dad when I was young. Oh god.
That's a sick joke.
Yeah, that is a sick joke. Not good to range play, exactly. That's why I'm leaving it. That was a good joke. Yeah, so I mean, this is the thing, you know, I wanted this closure and this push here. It's already done this now, so you know, the probability that I enter now is kind of low. I'm not gonna, you know, I missed that little entry. So getting used to like missing entries and stuff is all you gotta do, because you don't get worked up on it. Like, I don't really care, you know. I know in the next, you know, 30 days I'm gonna have loads of setups like that, so I'm not too bothered. Wickfield question mark? Nah, I'm not gonna get in there. That 5 minutes bullish as hell, boy. But 159 is good. Yeah, I still think this zone here for me is nice with that 4 hour fill in the wick, but I wanted that closure, so if they don't give me that, then kind of sucks. But for me, all this kind of is just a resistance forming. So price coming down, price coming up to form resistance to then continue back down. So that's what I expect. It looks like it is working. It's just taking its time. Hi, new here and channel is awesome. Have a quick question on GJ 159427. Why would you not use that as a support? 159427. Yeah, on the 15, I think you have a little one here. Here, this one here. Yeah, I mean it's a cause of concern. So like if I got into a trade, so for example, if this candle, it's not going to do it, but if this candle closed like this, then I got a top wick, and then 1 second, and then we drove down at that level there. I'd be putting stop loss to break even, and then hoping that we just drive down. But yeah, so that'll be a level of where there is a minor support right there, and I got to be cautious with it. So that's where break even would be implemented. Break even. Yeah, that was a good question. Any more than questions like stuff about like the support and resistances and stuff, make sure to ask me about them. People who are new here, it looks like a lot of people may be new here today. The 4 hour and the daily flips are a really good way of, you know, being able to see the higher time frames when you're on like the 15-minute chart. So like here, if I look at GJ right now, I've got a mental like checklist in my head that the daily is bearish, the 4 hour is right at the flip, so it's kind of indecisive, and the overall trend is bullish as a whole, but at the moment we are bearish today. So yeah. And what does this put into my head? Well, you know, if the daily is so bearish because the daily is so high up there, you're gonna feel a selling force, right? Because it is bearish today. So when I look for buys here, I've got to be a little bit cautious of how they may work out. So I'd rather take sells. What does the flip mean, and how do you find it? The flip is just when the higher time frame changes direction. So take a look here on the daily. So the daily flip is put on the current daily candle, and this is where it is going to flip. Okay, so we'll go from red to this color, wherever the color is. I'm colorblind, but bullish. That's what it's going to flip.
Like now, 4 hour GJ.
Yeah, I like 4 hour too, my boy. Same with the 4 hour over here. So can you see right now we're right on the line, so it's kind of flipping between bullish and bearish, showing a bit of indecision. So yeah, 2 minutes left for this closure. We will see. Struggling with some small support and resistances to see that clear range. Yeah, I think looking at the 15 is probably your best thing to look at, because you can see here, if you look to the left, this is where the main support was here. So draw a line there with the body of the candles. This is the zone. Look how clean these candles moved in this area. This is why I'm trying to target this area, okay? Because I know that candles move quick in this area, so the probability that I take a trade here and it's going to run very, very quickly is nice, just like what this AJ trade did, you know. So take a look to the left hand side. I mean, it isn't actually that nice on the left hand side really compared to GJ, but I mean from here you can see these candles in this area move a lot quicker than they do here, okay? They move pretty quickly. So knowing this, movements in this area are going to be quick and snappy, and that's what you want in a trade. You want to be pretty much zero drawdown, quick trade, takes 5-10 minutes. So yeah, that's what you want. Do you do that for every daily and 4 hour candle before you trade? Yes. Oh yes. Oh my god, GJ.
Max, would you still sorry man,
yep.
Would you still consider AJ for a wick fill? Or do you think the move has already passed?
I think the move has already passed, and the thing is, like, the 15 could be okay, but look at the 30. So you can move, the 30 support is here, so it's right at that level. So I wouldn't want to be taking sells right there. That's why I wanted to get in up there. So yeah, that kind of sucks, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
So yeah. Yeah. Always look at that as well, guys. Like, if you are looking at maybe taking a trade in the 15 because this is closing below, you're like, yeah, we're gonna fill these wicks and stuff. Just take a look at the 30 and look what's happened. Well, you know, the 30-minute candle here came all the way down to this support. So do you want to be taking sells here when you know the support is right there? Probably not. So the only way for me to have got in was to get in here, because when I get to this area, I'll be taking positions off and then holding my runners to this TP. Never really get in on sells right at the support if it hasn't closed below, because shit can be a bit hard for you. Wow, okay, so GJ over here came all the way back up. So yeah, it's just struggling in this area. Well, not struggling, to be honest with you. So, you know, what we always talk about ranges is when price actually enjoys the area. You know, it just sits in there. There's the buyers and the sellers are pretty much even, and it's just sitting in a range until something changes. So it's kind of comfortable sitting there. And ranges is where most people lose their money. So kind of chill out, you know, don't be trying to take maybe, you know, a buy here now or a sell here now, you know, just let it play out. That AJ flip in there looks tasty, but for me, I don't know, I don't like that 5 minute pushing all the way back. Look at the 5 minute candles. Yeah, man, fuck that. So if you're selling, you want to be below the flips, correct, and vice versa. Yeah. I mean, some setups we like. I mean, this one here we'll talk about a lot and works very, very nicely. But it is kind of aggressive. I'm actually going to post this one on my Instagram, I think, today. But it is, where is it? Yeah, closure back in the range for me. I don't really too mind about the daily, to be honest with you. It's mainly about this 4 hour. Okay, so the 4 hour I want to be with us. If we're closing back in the zone, we're going to fill the zone up. But I want at least the 4 hour to be with me, flipping with me, because then, you know, at least you got the 1 4 hour time frame with you. If this 4 hour here is, you know, all the way down here and it's still bullish, then I wouldn't probably not take that trade really. So yeah. And you can see as well, like, where we're potting around on, like, AJ, it's 91,500, pretty easy psychological level, so that's pretty good. And you can see that GJ's sitting around 160 as well, so pretty simple. Look at the round numbers, 160, there are most of the time manipulations to 160, 250 to 159, 750. Yeah, we actually talk about a 750 level. I hate taking trades near 750. They never seem to work. And that's probably why just ranges between them. Oh, seen over here as well. Tashi also got a trade here. Nice, you took that. You guys took some balls, man. Very, very strong candle. We knew it was gonna go, but I just want a nice little bit of a wick there, man. Because what I hate losing is if I took that trade there and then it comes back, hits me out at 10 pips, then it comes back, reflips and launches. That would piss me off. So that's kind of why I wait for a top wick here. That was a strong enough candle, and you know, it's fine. It was always going to continue, but I don't know how big the top wick was going to be. So someone goes, "What the fuck with GJ?" Yeah, GJ is just struggling to pick direction. Which is fine, just happen later on. Will just happen later on. Is that top wick and bottom wick that important? Top wick and bottom wick. I mean, it is important in some cases. Like GJ normally has quite a big top wick, but AJ is obviously new, isn't it? We don't really know how big it is. So yeah, I'd say it is. I'd say it is important for sure. Yeah. Max, what do you think of the 50-minute flip on gold? Oh shit, okay. 50-minute close below, flipping right now. I mean, where is your stops going to be? That's probably going to be maybe the 5-minute stops here, 14 pips. Let's take a look at the hourly now. Yeah, maybe writing it down to 19, 20 pips away. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. You got the 4 hour with you. The last one was pretty bullish though. Yeah, I mean, maybe. Let's take a look at that top wick again. I don't know, I think the zone is maybe a bit too small, maybe. On the 30-minute, because the 30-minute support and resistance is literally here, actually. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard area here. It may come back down to the daily flip here at 1919, but let's scrape it a little bit. So if you got in there on the flip, then fair enough. Yeah, I think that was pretty good. And with a 5-minute stop above, maybe. So maybe using this 5-minute stop there, and start us to break even. See if it can continue. But yeah, the zone's quite small on that. GJ's taking the piss. Yeah, man. I mean,
morning, suckers.
Morning, Jason.
Morning.
Jason at
Yo,
work
I saw. I'm a training man. I saw a 5-minute salary at 1 in 2 minutes group. I couldn't figure out. I was busy. Just go to AJ quickly.
Yeah, a 5-minute salary.
Man, it was fucking tasty.
Oh, there.
Oh yeah, they. So if you go
Wait, did
to the 30 minutes, I think that 30-minute support.
did you say 15 or 30?
I don't know why I don't have. I think it's 15. Yeah, it's a support area. So if you go to the 30, just draw a support line there.
Where there?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, the minor one.
Yes, so if you go to the 5 minutes, look how tasty that is. Oh, fuck sake.
I know, but the zone, I mean, how big was that zone there? I suppose you could squeeze in 10 pips, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. There, your stop loss is to break even already, man.
Yeah.
In it.
In it, bruv. In it, bruv. Well, Vincent's been smashing them today, these impulses, holy shit. Well, the winning impulse, Vince and yesterday. So Vincent, in the space of a couple of days, sorry, he's got that trade. He's got... Did you take... you got that one.
When was that?
And then you also got... What other one did you get this morning?
This morning I got the GJ.
Oh, GJ as well. Yeah, you also got GJ. Where was that at?
I think that's when we get resistance.
159.8 I entered.
Yeah, there.
Yeah.
So yeah, the space of a couple hours over here, Vincent's milked it a little bit over here. Nice. Oh, that AJ's pushing back down now. Let's look at the 5 minute.
Vincent, you taking my hat, eh?
Maybe.
9 pips on that high. That was kind of nice in that flip there. Let's take a look at the 30 minute now. 7 minutes left. 7 minutes left. Interesting. Is it going to fill that wick?
Oh yes, it is.
Milan, are you in?
I am.
That's a rhetorical question.
9 pips in the high. I mean, I did exceed.
Yeah. I put 10 pips. It's alright.
6 minutes left. Look at the hourly, man. The hourly's right at it. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the hourly close. It's annoying that
my thoughts were if AJ pushes down in the next 5 minutes or 7 minutes or whatever, realistically GJ should push down as well, and then maybe you get a better, like an opportunity to enter on GJ or something.
Yeah.
Pushes down enough. Maybe. That was there's a lot of maybes there, but
yeah, this may work out over here.
I did like AJ, but I don't know, I wasn't sure because it had pulled back so aggressively, but it did look clean.
Yeah. If this hourly closes below, and that's a little bit more confirmation to drive it down, so we'll see.
Yeah, also it came to that hourly support and it retraced, you know.
Yeah.
So
I'm not listening to you guys. I'm not listening to you guys.
Sorry.
He's not listening. He's just making some money, man.
I mute you.
Oh my god, look at gold. Mate, people trading gold today. Good luck. Why is it ranging? Is there something later on? I think there is, isn't there? ADP. Let's take a look. Yeah, ADP. Yeah, it'd be interesting. And then GDP as well. That 5 minute close yet? Oh, it's going to. AJ broke his previous 15-minute candle. Yeah, the high. Yeah, exactly. I'm just gonna wait for this hourly, see what the crack is. I do think it should come back down here though, man. It's just a nice 30 pip zone. It's just the 15 minute, and the 30 that's kind of sucky a bit. So.
Also the monthly support close, so it's actually not necessary to take the trade, to battle.
Yeah, exactly. It's on weekly and daily support on gold. Yeah, exactly. I did tell people be careful. Selling into 1919 because look at it. I mean, you can see pretty easily here where the supports are. So selling into that, you'd rather wait maybe a little bit later on and look for sells maybe here, because you're passing the support, but at the moment it's right on it, so I would not be taking sells on gold. Because you can see yesterday we retraced all the way back up, you know, it pushed down, how many pips is that? Yeah, like 300 pips, and then came all the way back up, so, you know, gotta be a bit cautious in that level. 273 people in here, jeez. Wicked stuff. Oh my god, GJ. AJ as well, oof. Glad I waited.
Close full.
Jason, you getting a trade?
No, I'm saying Milan.
Oh, Milan, yeah.
No, enter.
Spanish
Milan,
inflation hits 10%.
Do this cowboy thing. We must at least have 1 or 2 guys that agree with the cowboy idea, man. You know, like confluence. Yeah, because there's always time for a cowboy trade, you know. Yeah.
Jason, I was gonna ask you,
Like,
did you like getting your asses clapped by France yesterday?
Who?
Did you play France yesterday?
Yes, South Africa played France.
Yeah, you got your fucking asses clapped. God, did you see Mbappe's first goal? Oof.
You know, yeah, the thing is this, we're not good in football, man. We suck ass. But us, when it comes to rugby, we'll fuck you up.
What,
when
rugby?
It comes to cricket, we'll fuck you up.
Why are you so bad at football, though?
Because it's more of a racial thing, like, you know, like, it's more political, let me put it that way. Sorry, not racial.
Yeah, that's fair.
Political, but with rugby, fuck you up. Athletics, will fuck you up. You know, swimmers and whatever. Like, we are up there in the world, man, honestly.
Yeah.
It's not
South Africa is only good in rugby.
We are the best in rugby, my man. What are you talking? We are
Good.
the best.
Australia is better than you guys at rugby.
Oh.
Australia beats South Africa all the time.
Easy.
Man, how much World Cup
We're just
you
way
got?
tougher. We're way tougher. You guys are a bunch of pussies.
When my guy, it took World Cups, man. It took World Cups.
Yeah, wait for the World Cup. Australia will kick your ass.
Man, let me go on YouTube and you'll see how we fuck up the Aussies. Big time.
Please, show me.
So look at the result. Look at the result. Anyway, guys, I have to go. I just had like a...
Not really a fair advantage when they have to... Never mind.
I know what you're gonna say.
Say it, man. Say it,
Max, you know where I was going.
Yeah, I do.
lucky I don't have my vuvuzela here. I would have been like, fuck.
Max, have you ever blown an account? Yes. Numerous. Numerous. I'll say probably like 5 or 6, maybe.
Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah, man. Yeah, the hourly closing back above now. Take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, it's been quite a hard session. So if you guys haven't taken any trades, then congratulate yourselves. There hasn't been really much. If you were ballsy enough to take that AJ one, then congrats. I was not. So yeah. Oh my god, look at GG, man. Another goal. Look at them hourly closures, man. The hourlies have rejected the lows though twice. So I mean, if these break the highs here, shit, should continue. But I'm probably gonna wait for another 15-minute closure, and we'll see.
Listen, with AJ, I was watching my chart on my phone, and the lecturer was asking, "Are you playing games while I'm lecturing?"
No way.
My God, making games. I tell him it was work related.
Did you? That's fucking work related.
Crazy.
Let's take a look. No trade for me. Does blowing an account mean losing all of its funds? Yes. Oh yes. I cannot catch his accent. Yeah. Well, it doesn't help that Jason's fucking microphone is like a potato. To be honest with you, I can barely understand him half the time. But yeah, I think the only thing I could have really seen today was AJ maybe impulsive there, but I don't know, man. I don't like that. I don't like the impulsive really, unless like I could get a stop a bit higher. But the issue with that, with getting like a 10 pip stop here, was that the zone is kind of big, so yeah, it could easily wicked up. Let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, it's right at that daily support, man. I mean, even though like sells, you go, oh yeah, this flips, but the zone to go to is pretty small. So it's not really worth it, man. I don't take any trades since the 24th of March, almost a week ago. I'm good for the month, waiting for it to close, to be honest. Nice. I don't understand how people below accounts like risk 1%, and if you lose maximum 50 trades, reevaluate what you're doing. Yeah, Connor, you clearly have a good mindset, my brother. Because when I was younger and I was in that headspace, bro, I would not be risking 1%. I'd be risking 30%. It's good though. If you already think like, how the hell can anyone do that, then just keep that away. Keep on thinking, how the hell can anyone do it? But trust me, people can do it, and I was one of them. That was the whole reason why I made my Instagram, was trying to help people not fucking blow their accounts and feel like depressed and shit. It's kind of the reason why I did it.
Cheers, guys. Cheers, cheers. Don't blow that account.
Cheers. No blowing accounts anymore, boy.
Cheers.
Oh my god, look at this barcode, bro. 630 barcode. Shit. It's so dumb, people trading their accounts to 0. Yeah, it is, but it happens. I've done it. Aussie is Australian United States Services in Education. What? GJ makes Adidas logo. Oh yeah. There you go. 3 stripes. And there you go. GG. Gold pushing back up. Yeah, if you've been slapped on gold today, take a really good look at like maybe why you did that and why you potentially got into trades here. Were you just looking for a trade this morning? Were you trying to find a trade that wasn't there? Because for me, I mean, the only thing you could have potentially done is that closure, wait for the top wick, and then the flip. You may have squeezed 10 pips, but that's pretty much it. Because, you know, you're right at the daily, man. The daily support, so it's going to be a tricky area. AJ is dropping, yeah, but after that 30-minute closing back above, I'm not playing with that shit. Hell no. And the hourly didn't close below either, so it's really respected this hourly support. So yeah, I don't really like that. 120 likes, guys. You've been amazing today. I think we've I don't know why my maybe everyone here has already been here before, but people said they've subscribed today, and I don't get the notification anymore. Maybe I've got it turned off for some reason. Yeah, like I've gained a lot of subscribers today. Why is it not on, man? Let's see if it's on here. Let's take a look. Oh, it's off. That's why. There we go, man. It's off the whole time. No way. Right, if someone hasn't subscribed, make sure try and do it. I want to see if this works now. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to do so. I want to see if it makes the noise and shit. I've had it off the whole time, for fuck's sake. Close AJ at a small win. Just avoid a loss in the pullback, so happy with that. Beautiful work, yeah. That was good, man. Exactly. If you see in a place where you can maybe get out of the trade where it wasn't looking too good and maybe a little bit of profit, then just take it, you know. I go through this a lot, you know. Don't just hold the trade on for no reason. If you think it's not working well, then just get out.
Okay, I'm gonna leave for this session. I'll see you guys
I
at
bet
the...
you are with your money.
Gotta go and get those Cowboys boots shining, please.
Oh, yes.
See you later.
See you later, brother. Since tomorrow there'll be no stream. Peace, everyone. Take care. See you Friday. Since tomorrow there'll be no stream. What? Who said that? No, tomorrow there will be stream. I just may be very hungover and maybe on 3 hours of sleep. But I think I still will be here. So, yeah. Don't think I'll miss it. You did. Oh, did I actually say I wasn't doing it tomorrow? Shit. But we'll see. Maybe you'll get a nice surprise. Yeah, it's my graduate thing. Oh shit, I did. Oh shit, yeah, because I booked that. Oh yeah. Sheet. We'll see. We'll see. See if I can get there. I'll tell you tonight if I can do it or not. We'll see. I mean, wow, look at this. So, you know, when you start seeing stuff like this, do you want to be taking trades in this area? Or do you want to be taking trades in this area? Unfortunately, this was Asian, so, you know, I wasn't up. So you just got to take that fact and go, you know what, is it really nice to take trades here now? No. So, you know, you just got to just sit out and relax. Oh, it's finished. I want to find a new one here. I need to try some out. Oh fuck, why doesn't that just work there? Because goddamn, I'm so bored of this one. What the hell is happening? I'm so bored of it, man. So yeah, I mean, let's take a look at the next 50-minute candles on both. Yeah, range, not really a roll. Yeah, it's kind of a range in the 30 minutes. So yeah, I think we may leave it off over here. I'm gonna do a Wordle though to keep your brain functioning and make sure that it gets good words in. We'll see. I'll give it another 50 minutes to these candles to actually do anything, and if not, then I'll leave till NY session. So let's start this off. Vincent's not here anymore. Shit, this means we're gonna actually have to do this properly now. Shit. Is the weather getting nicer yet, your side of the world? I would say a little bit nicer. I think today, tomorrow, and the next day is... Oh, shit. Let me just look outside. I think it may be... Well, let me just see the temperature today. It is 5 degrees, and it was -1 at the lowest, and it's pissing with rain outside. So, yeah, it's still shit. Stove is a good one, actually, yeah. Stove. Ah, fuck's sake. Was that a guess, or did you just know that? Stove was a good one, actually. Yeah, the weather here is still kind of shit. Weather shit in Newcastle, yep. Crypto F, I haven't seen you before. Weather is shit in Newcastle. My guy's from Newcastle. Whereabouts you from in Newcastle? Whereabouts? Also, make sure to tag me in on Instagram. Remember, I always say that. Just tag me in, and make sure to follow me on Instagram as well if you guys haven't. Bladen, nice. He's proper Newcastle. Proper Jordan, Bladen. 20 degrees at the last week's, and for this week they call snow. Yeah, I know. Yeah, last week was kind of nice. I was in London actually in the weekend, and man, it was like 18 degrees. I was sweating. Did you catch up in Raja with London? Nah, he wasn't here. He was in back in Pakistan. I thought he was there for a bit longer, but clearly not. Clearly not. He was looking at these 15-minute flips. Back above. Oh, 17 pips. Fuck that. Edinburgh is better. What, than Newcastle? Hell no. Or do you mean weather? Tenga's good. What kind of consolidation is this, fam? Yeah, it's pretty bad. What about gold? Gold is just in a range, man. Yeah. Oh yeah. Before I go, we'll do GU just for people to know like how we mark our charts over here. Cause someone's asking for it. I'll just start it from. Apparently it's been ranging though, so may not be that interesting. But anyway, we can start it. So let's get rid of this. So the first thing I do is go in the daily because you start on the higher time frame, so you can see what the crack is today. Where is it heading? Then you get your horizontal line tool out. You put in on the flip here. So this is when the candle would flip. So you can see right now it's bullish. You can see the overall trend is bearish. Okay, so keep that in mind. The 4-hour time frame is bullish as well. So looks like the higher time frames at the moment are bullish, but the trend is still bearish. Take a look on the hourly. You can start to see where maybe things are. So if you get your little arrow tool, you can see there's resistance here, there's resistance here, there's support here, support here, support here. So that's the main gist of things. You can see that pretty easy, right? So you go, you know, where am I really wanting to take buys? Well, if I took buys here to here, kind of a small zone, choppy wicks, not looking too good. If I took buys above this area here, then you can maybe get it to here, but still kind of a choppy area, kind of small zone. So for me, when I start to look at the lower time frames, maybe have them above them areas. Take a look at the 30, kind of makes sense. Take a look at the 15. Now you can start to see over here that, you know, this is resistance here, probably above this area. I'm using the body of the candles. Why am I not using there? Well, because, you know, this zone from here to here is, maybe you could squeeze it out. Maybe you could squeeze 10 pips out maybe here. But the wicks here are kind of nasty. So probably safer buys are going to be up here to then drive back up over here. But this looks like a ranging ass pair, by the way. I would not be trading GU right now. And then supports are down here. So, you know, that's the major support. You could see that there is kind of a minor support probably here. So probably sells below 1.30906 would be nice. Why is this? Well, if you break these lows, you're going to have nice clean candles here to continue down. So you can see price moves pretty quickly in this area. So that's where you want to be taking sells. And there you go. You're ready for the session. And you just wait. Ready for the session. So if you guys learned anything today, or learned the discipline of not taking a trade every single day or whatever, make sure to like and subscribe, and, you know, share the stream and all that good stuff. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave us off now. 30 minutes now. Look, we're ranging like shit. This gold over here is right at the daily support. I ain't playing on that. ADJPY is kind of struggling to find any direction, so I'm just gonna wait later on, you know. If you guys do want to join the mentorship and join the group in the NY session, we have great fun there. Take some smashing trades as well, so make sure to come and join that. You also get all the signals in the chat as well. And then this month we've had 15 wins and 4 losses, I think, and then a couple of break even. So you'll be still profitable if you took all them, and probably paying for the mentorship. So yeah, someone says, what is this title of the song? It's just this lo-fi here. I don't know what the title of this one is, but it's 119. I'm up 42% for the month. Nice, Tommy boy. You're doing well, man. That's really good work. That is crazy. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. Make sure you like the stream before you leave, and I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow if I'm not hungover as shit, which I probably will be. But I'll see you. I may want to come on anyway. So, yeah, guys, see you tomorrow. Adios, amigos. I'll see you guys later in the Zoom for NY session. See you later, guys. Peace out. See you later, YouTube. Adios, amigos.